What up, people? How you doing? How's it been? It's me, your boy Nilson. Now today I'm speaking out English. I'll be speaking like this. Cause I'll be chilling down, chilling in house. Talking about everything. Today I'll not be speaking no papiamento. Now I'll be speaking only English, so somebody can understand me. Everybody I needs to be all rounded. So everybody can understand me speaking now. So today is already late now. It's about 10:30 now here at night, and I'll be speaking from you in my bathroom. It's in my bathroom. So what up, people? The topic today is I want to speak to you about is ignorant people. Ignorant. You know what is ignorant? I write right there. It's ignorant. Explanation right there for ignorant people. Like today I went outside. Made some shopping, get me some groceries for home now, and I went to the local aha. What is the aha? I explain you aha right there. Okay, good now. And I'm very social person. I speak to everybody, I greet everybody, I say hello, and people, some people are just ignorant. And as I explained to you now, no, I went shopping and I saw people I may know and say hello. People turn back and look at me like I'm some freak or something like that. I don't understand this. I'm very angry at this. I don't like ignorant people. Lots of people nowadays, they don't have manners. You know what I mean? Manners. If somebody greets you now, you must greet back. It's so simple like that. You understand me? Just simple like that. Somebody greets you, you greet back. But no, a lot of people now are ignorant. I've seen some things happen, and people just like ignoring it, and they don't care what's happening right now or not. So, I want somebody to explain to me now, why are people so ignorant? Furthermore, I don't have any more thing I would think about today or talk about. That's a big topic, I really want some people to answer me. Why are people so ignorant? But in the same video now, I'm going to change it up a bit, change it up because I speak English, I only speak Spanish also, and I speak papiamento, I speak Dutch, so I'm going to change it up. I'm going to speak Spanish today. And the Spanish is so simple because I come from Spanish family, I don't look at my hair because my hair is not important for you. Go speak about somebody else now, I don't care, okay? My hair is beautiful. And I don't care because today is going to be a funny video, you understand me? And if you say something about my hair, you be ignorant. Explanation right there.